Hi guys, I didn't find any YouTube video on how to change the wire for the hood latch on my VW Touareg 2006. So I will show you. First of all, you have to remove the grille and the headlight, and then when you remove the grille you get to these two holes. You use a very long Torx 40 in there. Take out the screw, and also down here on this bracket you have to remove one bolt in the bottom, and then you can take this at the side and you will see the hood latch goes down and you can pry it out. Then you see the wire will follow, and then you can change the wire on the hood latch, and then you just push it inside again. I used a lot of hours to figure this out, and then just the opposite, to put on these two screws, the screw in the bottom, and then it's pretty nifty job to take the wire out from here, because it's no way to get inside this channel. So you just have to pull the other one out, and then you pry this new to inside the housing for the front light, and then you just pull it through the house, and then you will get it to the mechanism right there. Thank you.